while someone is talking to you in close proximity within 6 feet, that is the distance at which the coronavirus is able to be inside of these saliva droplets. And as you're talking to people, you're able to get the virus from your saliva into their eyes, nose, or mouth. And then from there, it's able to infect them because now it's in their respiratory system too, where the virus can continue to proliferate. And a good example of this was a case study recently where one singer, by singing to an audience of people that was very close nearby, was able to infect 51 people. So talking in public without a mask on in a large group of people is the way that this virus spreads very, very quickly. And so what these masks do that is extremely important for us to remember and make sure we always have a mask on us when we're in public is it's basically trapping all of the saliva droplets in one place. So if I had the coronavirus and I'm talking to someone and I have my mask on, what it's doing is it's basically forming a barrier, and it's as this spit comes out, the spit's getting stuck on this side of the mask and it's hopefully not passing through it. And this would prevent me as an infected person from infecting more people. It also has the benefit of if someone's talking to you, this mask would have the effect of the saliva that contains the coronavirus progeny would be on the outside of the mask and not able to pass through to the inside of you. And so by wearing a mask, if you are someone who's infected, and because this is an asymptomatic disease for some people, very important that even if you don't feel like you're infected, you still wear this thing, is preventing you from spreading the infection. And if you're someone who isn't infected, it's helping you stay uninfected. So very, very important to always wear masks, even today with the coronavirus. Despite the coronavirus being so small, the way it's traveling is in these droplets of fluid. And in these droplets, these masks are able to block those droplets and basically keep them on the surface so that they don't pass through it. And then the other thing is, you don't need a new mask every time, because the way that soap works is soap is a detergent, and the coronavirus has these spike proteins, and it also has a plasma membrane. And so this plasma membrane is something that when it comes into contact with soap is going to basically break apart the membrane, and it causes the virus to just die because the RNA inside the virus is now exposed to the outside world. It's no longer living inside of that plasma membrane because the soap killed and destroyed the plasma membrane. So all the genetic material inside the virus is dead now. And so you can reuse cotton masks. You can put them in the washing machine. As long as you make sure to use soap, you should be good, because you'll be killing all the viruses that are on either side of this mask. And it's a great way to help prevent and slow the spread of this disease. So again, I cannot strongly recommend and push people to wear masks when you are in public. Make sure you're wearing a clean mask. Make sure you're careful with how you handle masks, because if you just came out of public with a mask and someone with coronavirus is talking to you and the coronavirus is on the outside of this mask and you touch it and then you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, that is one way in which now you can get infected by this virus. So be very, very careful. Make sure to keep wearing your masks. This coronavirus, even though it's small, you can help stop it with these masks. And then a final thing I would talk about here with social distancing is that when we are beyond that 6-foot perimeter, it's okay to not necessarily wear masks. But again, the important thing here is, like, if it's a windy day, there's so many confounding variables that can make this virus travel in those saliva droplets to other places. So again, even if it doesn't look like you necessarily need to be wearing a mask, you still should be for the sake of others and yourself. So I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you all for watching.